Yeah, buddy. Hanging out with my best pal here. Looking around, buddy. Great kid's first time at the park. It's cool, huh? She's trying to walk right now. She really wants to walk. Check it out. We got Great Kid, we have McDonald's, and we have the village people. Let's see if she likes McDonald's. McDonald? Right here. McDonald's? Yeah! You like McDonald's. You're VIP now. You're allowed to have McDonald's now. That's all you're gonna eat. She doesn't like her cat food no more. She really wants to walk. That's a spirit, buddy. Who has a TikTok? DT got TikTok unbanned. Is it time for me to have one? He has one. If he has one, I should have one, right? Let me know in the comments if you have a TikTok. You know the line. Needs a lift kit. Call Larry. Happy Monday. Big day today. You guys know who my co-pilot is. You saw the intro. I'm gonna do a story time here in a second, separate video. There she is. Great Kid. You're a nice cat. We're gonna hang out all day today. I got this idea from Captain America at the November lifted van meet. That's the man right there. He's carrying our firewood. Shout out to Richard. He was at the November lifted van meet. I'll pin his Instagram in the comment section.
What do you use for notch here?
Check this out. Ryan ladder and light bar install at the meet. Ryan added to the catalog. Now he makes surfboard hooks. So now Richard has all three Ryan fabrications. Richard messaged Ryan last night and Ryan messaged me. Slight change in plan for the March lifted van meet, March 1st on a Saturday. So unfortunately, we can't sleep at Hungry Valley State Park right now, temporarily. So we need to leave by 6 p.m. So that's the change in plan. We're still gonna meet Saturday at noon. That's just a couple hour drive for most of you. So some of you might be working Friday and you got Saturday, Sunday off. So you're gonna head to Hungry Valley on Saturday morning. So that's why we're gonna make the meetup time noon. So once noon comes around, we'll head out to Hungry Valley State Park. It's $5 and we'll hang out there till 6 p.m. Now, since we're not allowed to sleep there anymore, that's a slight change in plan. The cool thing about having a van build is we could wing it. We could freestyle. So we could go back to Flying J. Hungry Valley is only about 10 minutes away from Flying J. We could head back to Flying J, sleep there. There's a rest area about 15 minutes away from Hungry Valley State Park, two sides. Or we could go to this campground right here, but it's $35. So just looking at availability, this is for next Saturday, the 25th of January. All the spots are still open. So it looks like we don't have to reserve here months and months in advance. See, all these available spots. So yeah, March 1st is pretty much open. And here's the thing. It normally starts raining in Hungry Valley around December. It's almost February and it's not raining yet. So the only thing that's gonna cancel the March 1st lifted van meet is rain. So I don't want you guys reserving a $35 campground spot. It ends up raining and you guys end up losing $35. So let's meet up March 1st, Fraser Mountain Road, Flying J. If we get there early, well, I'll be there early. If you guys get there early, we'll hang out till noon, wait for everyone, check out each other's van builds. We'll head to Hungry Valley noon, leave at 6, and we'll figure it out from there. We'll check out the weather report the week of the meet. If the weather report is not forecasting rain, maybe we'll go to that camp spot, or maybe we'll just wing it. That's the cool thing about a van. That's the whole van life experience, just being flexible. So yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a heads up of what's going on. Yeah, you could no longer sleep at Hungry Valley for now. Maybe once March comes around, they'll allow sleeping there again. So yeah, let's just wing it. We'll figure it out the day of the meet, or the week of the meet. Hey buddy, want to go to the pet store? Let's go to the pet store. She's experiencing the day in the life of me making content. Is this person making content too? Doing a walk around of his Escalade. Remember this place from yesterday? You look around. It was fun, right? Hey, that's your twin. Hey, those are your twins too. She's at that phase where she's not eating a lot. She's drinking a lot of water though, but not eating too much. But she did like these, so we're gonna get some more of this. Hey buddy, I think it's appropriate to go to McDonald's today. You know what she likes eating? I was eating spaghetti the other day. I just gave her some meatball and she liked it a lot. So you know what, buddy, you're VIP now. So I'm gonna give you whatever you want since you barely eat now. You want to try some McDonald's today? Let's head to McDonald's right now. Look how active she's being right now. All her senses right now. Just coming from the pet store. She's trying to walk. Just the front legs work. I would walk you on a leash, buddy, if you could walk. See, she's all happy right now. All stimulated. All right, buddy. Let me close this up. This thing's cool. So, see, there's a connection right there. So she stays in place. And it's nice and high, so she can see out the window. She's got a lot of spirit. She really wants to walk. Close that up, calm her down a little bit. Calm down, buddy. You loved the pet store, huh? You loved it? You had too much fun. You want to walk. See, this is where I shaved her. I don't have a future as a pet groomer. Yeah, keeping her shaved down here so that she's easier to clean in the morning or afternoon, whenever I have to clean her. Man, you're all hyper right now. You had a good time? Yeah. You had fun? Look how fired up she is right now. That pet store visit, man. You're all pumped up. March lifted van meet interest is up to 25 people. I said if this March meet pulls 20, I'm gonna consider expanding this lifted van meet to another state. I would like to do Utah. I was gonna check out an ambulance for sale right now, but my van is too big for this parking lot. Maybe I'll come back when this area is closed, but check it out. Who wants an ambulance build? I think it's four-wheel drive. I think I see radius arms that look four-wheel drive. I just stopped by here because I was gonna look at that ambulance right now. I saw it the other day when I was passing by here. But yeah, the reason I would do a Utah meet is because Wasatch Overland reached out to me. If I end up doing a high top roof, I'm gonna partner up with Wasatch Overland. This is DT's favorite food, so I think it's fitting we eat at McDonald's today. I'm gonna see if Gray Kid likes chicken nuggets too. She can have whatever she wants now. Clearance 9 feet. If I go to Wasatch Overland, to get that high roof. Would I still fit under this? Maybe not. Let's see. Why did they put that clearance 9 feet bar there? Because when you get to the side here, there's plenty of room. Maybe that's a good thing about getting a high roof. No more drive-throughs. You'll eat better. Hey, we're at McDonald's. She went back to sleep. She likes the pet store more. You know the line. Needs a lift kit. Call. I got Gray Kid wanting to walk at the park for the first time. We got McDonald's. This is exciting, huh? We got some YMCA going. Ready to eat, buddy? Don't tire yourself out. You can't walk anymore. There you go. She really wants to walk. That's a spirit, buddy. She can't contain herself. So exciting. Want another piece? Very good. Oh, you love it. You're loving it. There you go. Ow! Ow! All right, buddy. McDonald's. Hey, he spit it out. You need to lay down properly. Let me fix you. Try that again. Yeah, buddy. And you're purring. Do I have to feed you McDonald's every day now? McDonald's and the park. And Village People. If you've ever gone through that pain of losing a pet, I'm pretty sure you play this scenario in your head over and over again. What would one extra day mean to you? This is my 8th time now having to go through this. Gray Kid's at that very last phase of her life. You know, it's almost over. So I'm just cherishing every single day I have with her. I thought she was going to live to be 25 years old, but I never took her for granted. Like, when a pet is this old, you just never know when their health is going to turn around. Like, year by year, there was no decline in Gray Kid, and then all of a sudden, she can't walk anymore. Just her front legs work. She has cancer. So, you know, I shaved her. Shaved the lower half of her body. I'm gonna chip away at it a little more. I'm working on a how to take care of your special needs pet video. Like, I shaved the bottom half of her body. Like I said, I'm gonna chip away at it a little more. That way she's easier to clean up in the morning or afternoon whenever I have to clean her up. I have to get up a little earlier now before I go to work so I could take care of her, make sure she's nice and clean. But yeah, that's why she's with me right now. You know, spending all the time I can with her right now. You know, she could live another day. She could hold on for a month. You know, I'm realistic. I've been through this before. I've had pets that they sleep fairly quick. And then I've had pets that held on. So she looks like she's going to hold on for a while. So, yeah, if she's still around by the March lifted van meet, she's coming with me. So we're headed to Petco right now. We were here yesterday. I have that video ready. You know, I'm still editing it, you know, on how to take care of special needs pet. But we were here yesterday. I filmed her and she loved it here. Yeah, she was a shut-in for her whole life. She's never been to a pet store before. So I think it's like a shock to her senses right now to be out. Like, it's amazing to be out right now. You know, she lived a sheltered life and, you know, now she's going with me wherever I go.